27th of March. This is Studio Park News. Let's move on to the first item of the day. Darmawangsa has made a big find in the jungle of a tropical island. Darmawangsa has discovered some ancient ruins.
Hello, I am Dave. I've been researching the many different Darmawangsa hiding in the studio park. And among them, I have found this Darmawangsa. What do you think this bird Darmawangsa does? The answer is, it's a sofa, and it is placed in Domo Square. Lots of other Darmawangsa too are hiding in Domo Square. Please see how many you can find. That was Dave reporting. Thank you.
Next is the weather forecast corner.
Hello, I'm your weathercaster Dylan. Please take a look over here. This is Mount Fuji today. There are no clouds and the weather is fine. Today we have sunny skies all over the country. It's a perfect day for doing the washing.
Now here is the forecast. Tokyo will be fine. This is a season where the temperatures can fluctuate well. So take care not to catch a cold. This was your weather report. Thank you.
Well, what did you think of today's news? Please tune in tomorrow for another edition of Studio Park News. Goodbye everyone, we'll see you tomorrow. Got an unexpected surprise when he came across them. Now let's move on to today's report. Next is the weather forecast corner.
I have found this Darmawangsa. What do you think this bird Darmawangsa does? The answer is, it's a sofa, and it is placed in Domo Square. Lots of other Darmawangsa too are hiding in Domo Square. Please see how many you can find. That was Dave reporting.
Hello, I'm your weathercaster Dylan. Please take a look over here. This is Mount Fuji today. There are no clouds and the weather is fine. Today we have sunny skies all over the country. It's a perfect day for doing the washing.
Now here is the forecast. Tokyo will be fine. This is a season where the temperatures can fluctuate well. So take care not to catch a cold. This was your weather report. Thank you.
Well, what did you think of today's news? Please tune in tomorrow for another edition of Studio Park News. Goodbye everyone, we'll see you tomorrow.